Hi all. Today I will discuss about one of the unique scenario currently happening in world platform, particularly in USA. So it's about 23andMe downfall. So this company share now currently in downside. So we can see for past few days or months, we can see companies share are downgraded from like uh, 320 to currently it's just 405. So it's this company is in bankruptcy stage now. And what is, catch my attention is that they have huge genetic data. So there is risk about how this data will preserve or save, or uh, they how that data can be protected. So there are no less chances that, as per this article it seems, and I also tried to search Google, and it seems there are less precautions are being taken about this data. So I will go through this article and try to share like what's happening with that data and what are the chances, or what will uh, in long term, what are chances that this data will be misused. So this particular company is born like idea from like human genome project, same human genome project which we have seen earlier in National Geographic, where they ask for voluntarily for your DNA, and they try to analyze that, and they create like stories how your DNA or ancestry came from different route. So but this company's valuation is now in free fall, and there are layoffs going on, and board almost I read somewhere that their board members resigned in one night only, or one day only. So there kind of mess happening in this company. So what will happen to their 15 million customers data? But it's not only 15 millions. Earlier they had data breach this year, and it seems there are like 6.9 million, almost 7 millions customers data is already exposed with Chinese, particularly Chinese and Ashkenazi Jewish ancestry. And currently they are in settlement with customers for payments. So it seems out of this 15 millions, 7 millions data is already lost or available on dark web for selling. So they have this like direct to customer service, and but your DNA is directly can be sold or shared with unknown entities, exploited for targeted advertising and product development without your consent. So uh, beyond this personal risk, it this data expose your family members, and there is a vulnerability because nowadays AI is so advanced that from available data it can analyze your uh, genomic profile, and it can be used for discrimination exploitation, that if, that though we think that name, address, and contact details are our personal data, and we try to make sure that it not get uh, exposed for public. But this genomic data is more than that, and it highlights your vulnerability, like what disease you can have, what your family history, like medical history, or what are the different weakness or strong point from your genetic profile. But all this data is at stake now. So we already seen this 30 million settlement data breach, and currently that payment is ongoing. So this commodified data asset is though for company who think they're for uh, who think for profit only, or like uh, kind of success. uh, I'm not sure, like new members, since most of the board members are resigned, and how new board members will react to or take steps to protect this data, since if they are not aware or they don't want to take or spend much more money about this protection of this data. And with more data breaches or less uh, careful attempt for protecting this data, it can be sold or can be stolen from company's database. uh, it seems that as per EU Data Act grants companies ownership of derived genomic data. So it seems that company can decide or they are the owner of genomic data. But it's not only company data, but it's sensitive data from their customers. It in for like it can be, so as we have discussed, it can that data can be sold. Foreign entities with weak privacy protections or adversarial intention can exploit that data. Later this article highlight that how what are the steps can be improved further for like overall for different companies public like genomic data. So public private partnership is required. Genetic information as shared public resources, public accountability, setting clear standards, protecting infrastructure, and restoring trust in personalized medicine. So these steps can be taken in future. Regulation must be recognize the uniqueness of DNA. Large DNA databases hold tremendous potential to advance medicines and offering statistical power of breakthrough in linking genetic and diseases. Though company can profit from their research and with different medicine, uh, public sector must be involved in that project for like long-term protection of their data. So this is the example as a stark warning that in future, whenever there are other companies or other organization work with genomic data, what steps they can take, or what a government can like uh, uh, intervene in those cases from start, where so during this crisis this data can be protected. So I will share this link in description, so you can also go through. And there is also another article available where you can delete your 23andMe genetic data. So there is an option for to delete your account and personal information whenever you choose. Uh, and this once that request is raised, it immediately and automatically that get data can be deleted. It can take up to 30 days, but not all your data is deleted in 30 days. So what that data, so uh, your 23andMe data will be deleted after your request. The deletion of your profile, a company's process gives you the option to have company discard your genetic sample too if your initially request that 23andMe store it. So when we it seems that when we create account or uh, give consent for uh, genetic testing, during that time there is an option for if you that your data can be used for research or not. So if you have opted for that option, then apart from your um, uh, sex, date of birth, and genetic one. So name, apart from name, address, email, phone number, and contact information, all that data can be given for research project. But though that there are chances that from that information you can be identified, and there are cases that it those without your contact information that uh, like from that data you can be identified. So uh, so there are chances that even though you have not uh, if you choose for that research part, then your identity can be exposed, and it seems that 80% of the uh, 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 like uh, users have opted for that research part. So there are genotyping laboratories that holds like sex, date of birth, and genetic information even after they are deleted. And also by law, labs are required to retain information for set period of time. So like there are buffer time, like after project till that time, uh, all the regular uh, uh, as per regulatory authority, that data needs to be stored, and after that certain period of time, then only it can be deleted. So here we have like available steps like how you can delete your details, and uh, you can go through this. So that's it for today for regarding this 23andMe company situation. And when you next time try go for genetic profiling, make sure that company or organization uh, like uh, make sure get to know that how your data will be protected during this chaotic situation, and um, try to mm, uh, choose better organization or company. So that's it for today regarding genetic data and its crisis during its fate during crisis. Let's meet tomorrow with another. Let's meet tomorrow with another topic for a data zero ad hoc channel. Thank you.